Cookie dough chunky Kit Kat. It's a Kit Kat with cookie dough. It smells very sugary and eggy. It actually tastes like cookie dough, but I don't really like cookie dough. As a snack, it's a bit too sweet, not crunchy enough, but the chocolate layer is nice and generous. I wouldn't buy it again, but I'll rate it a 3 out of 5. This is just a boring snack.
Whoa, it does smell really good. It's way too sweet for me, but I still love it. I think the cookie dough flavour complements the Kit Kat really well. This is my favourite bit of the Kit Kat Chunky, the end chocolate bit. It's so wrong and so right at the same time. Kit Kat Chunky, cookie dough flavour, I do like you a lot. In the grand scheme of things, it's a 3 out of 5.